ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ m ihe niile, Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya, onye ọ bụla ya na-achị, onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi, onye ọ bụla ya bụ ọkaka. Ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etuga eze ebube dị ngọzi, mmalite na ọgwụgwụ, ndị gboo wee tụọ oge ebighị ebi. Onye nwe m, ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi. Anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla nke anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ. Ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ, maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịgị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi, n'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu. Ọbịa mere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị. Anyị wee na-akpọkụ wee na-arịọ gị na-asị, lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi. Onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe, biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt, gotu ọgbe wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra mgbodo ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kere. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị, wee nye gị nsọpụrụ ụtọ na ịja mma mgbe niile, n'ihi na anyị enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị. Ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile. Ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile. Anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ. Anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi, sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka. Ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị na-efe nwanyị bụ isi ala nye, ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu. Anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma, na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ, ha wee daa hapụghị ikonye ọzọ. Obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala ọkwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi. Anyị onwe anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkọ ha nsọ gị, na-asị na enweghị chi ọzọ ewezuga gị. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, wee na-eto gị, na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke, mana nwere onye kere na otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị ebi, mara ebi ka a na-arịọ gị. Ise.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Ashiburo, be known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke na-akọ mmiri is one thing that I have brought to you. You just have to hit the like button and share. Hit the like button and share this very program, please. Now, I would start with this particular program. As you hit the like button and share, may the name of Elohim be praised. I want to let those of you that are listening to me know one thing today. The Republic of Biafra is a done deal. And for Biafra to come, something that was shown to me years ago is still appearing. You must fight. Nobody will give you freedom. If you do not fight, they went to new house thing. They went to Boston. They went to this. I snap picture with this. In this very freedom. If you do not fight, even they will call to eternity. The only thing that will guarantee your freedom is to confront your enemies. An eye to an eye. It has been situated. Oh, we will go to Washington, D.C. and get freedom. Ikandi Nigeria in Washington, D.C. Do you know they can pay everybody? But if you have something that you are doing, even if Nigeria go there, they will tell them, but something is going on. We are going to pay attention because we want to ensure that there is peace. You will see that they will care about coming and saving the people of Biafra. But portfolio in all these people who have seen that Biafra, see Biafra as a money-making machine, you are not going to go anywhere. I used to say, deliver my message because I must say the truth and nothing but the truth. It doesn't matter how you paint it or how you try to change my message. The message remains the truth. You must confront your enemies, eyeball to an eyeball. You must stop them. The terrorists that they have brought, eyeball to an eyeball. If you go to newspaper, Nigerian newspaper, you will see what they are writing there. That lobbyists to be able to demarket Nigeria, and they have hired their own lobbyists. And there is this man who is now painting things that is happening in the north as in it is affecting the Muslim, not the Christian. It's part of the money that they have distributed in America. And the only thing that will stop that narrative is to confront the enemy's eyeball to an eyeball. During the time of ESN, Mazen Namdekano said something. They will pay many people, they will pay all these Igbo cocos to come out and say, oh, that the problem is now on Biafra agitators. He said you shouldn't shake. Freedom will come. It doesn't matter what they do. I wonder why some of you are shaking now. I wonder why some of you are not looking towards the direction of freedom that we are fighting for. I want to let all of you know, because when on this blue app, what they are here is to do the work of the enemy, the Satan himself. This very freedom will come. I want you to know that as they are distracting you, Nigerian government is advancing both international and in Biafra land. They are pushing their terrorists down to the south. They are now in the south. They are working in the south as they are distracting you, which is something that they don't do before. They were too afraid to start work. The terrorists started work in the land of Yoruba after the arrest of versionSimon Ekpa, because they were very much afraid to start it when versionSimon Ekpa was around, because of the alliance, which you know that Sunday Bohona and Kozi bullshit. I don't fight with freedom with such a person. He is very, very confused. Take him serious at your own peril. He have destroyed himself. Sunday Boho is a total criminal. How many of you are hearing about him now? How many years? He have gone inside. No more making mouth. No more running up and down. No more looking for freedom. He have grown leg and disappeared. But I want to let all of you know that this particular freedom will come. It doesn't matter what they do or the narrative that they try to impose now or to sell. This very freedom must come, because Elohim have determined that this very freedom will come in our own lifetime. Just to prove one thing, that we are his children and he will give us the desired freedom. That is the only reason why he said this very freedom will come. Why they are distracting you? They have arrived in the south, started work in the south. Now they have gone international to have their own lobby. And what do they pay? 9 million. 9 million. The money should be more than 9 million. The money should be more than 9 million. They have all the money in the world to buy whosoever that they want to buy. Chukwu told most of you that they have all the money in the world to buy all the people that they want to buy. You must wake up. You must wake up. If you do not start something in Biafra land, which is holy, which is the place that we must preserve, if you do not go there and start something, forget about all this Nigerian government imposed people. They have imposed Ngozi Arabeze, they have imposed Nkere to distract most of you. The things in the land of Biafra, you no longer hear it. Ozi kwa kondara akora neje, onye putaya akora nke neje. Our focus is fa. Umu Biafra, a bell. That's the last thing that I will say. A bell. We must wake up and agitate for this very restoration of the sovereign state of Biafra, because it is a must. We must wake up. It is a must. M-U-S-T. Must. M-U-S-T. They have imposed the FULEF to control you in Biafra agitation. And this year now, nobody go yagu. Hanyekwega another Biafra independence celebration. Ndi nke se na ha declare on 2nd kuo. Ndi nke se na ha declare on 29 kuo. But that Biafra celebrate in social media. Why can't the people of Biafra celebrate it in the land of Biafra? The only way that they can be able to celebrate it is, you know, the guerrilla war. It's not me. It's not me. It has been there. Don't say, oh, he's agitating for violence. It's not me. There is guerrilla war there. I'm not the person who put it there. There was a guerrilla war that was in the land of Biafra. It has been fought until Nigeria imposed this, their riffraff freedom fighters who quench it with some lopsided and blind followers who are following them up and down, singing their praises. I am not the fault that some of you are blind and you don't want to see. You had to see. I am not the fault, please. Do I make you to be blind? Do I tell them that, oh, blind you? I'm not part of the people who made you to be blind. But I am part of the people who will tell you that truth, that bitter truth, as bitter as it is to you. Do you know why? Elohim Chukwu have determined that I must be here to say the truth. It is part of me, and I will be here to tell you that truth, and nothing but the truth. Simon Ekpa. First, they allege that Master Simon Ekpa nacho Oji Biafra acho why. Now ha chutuone, and the same thing they did. You know, doubt me at your own peril. You know, I made a program against this guy, and most of you will say, "Oh, why is it that you had to talk about him?" There was a reason, but when the time comes, I will let you know the reason that I slowed down. On social media. The reason that I slowed down, this very criminal is more deadly than what you can think. Isaiah H. Anyogo, Isaiah S. Anyogo, Isaiah Nka Anyogo, Isaiah C. Anyogo, Isaiah P. Anyogo, Nkere. Criminal forgers. They have dethroned Master Simon Ekpa. On here, Ndara, senseless people. And I thank the Biafra people because most of them have distanced themselves from their criminality. Those who had to see are now seeing now. The only thing that makes Master Simon Ekpa's name to be remembered is the PM. When you say PM is in detention. Now you said you are stripping him off with the PM. You are now the PM, which means he will be forgotten inside detention. Most of you are mad. With that hungry success. Very, very hungry. Because the Nkere gives him money all the time. He can be able to sell. I heard he built house in Ghana. He built house in Ghana. And he's living comfortably. With the money that people are sowing in Biafra. You people are doing it as if. I don't blame all of you. It is those who give you the money that I'm blaming. Those who give you the money that know what the money is for. There was something I name Musa Jiebakwa o nwere ihe anyị na-eme, that freedom ji wee dị assured. O nwere ihe anyị na-eme, Nigeria ji wee sị, oh, thank God, oh, had it been that you did not arrest Simon, the land of Nigeria would have been divided. O nwere something a na-eme which they acknowledge that Nigeria is close to dividing. Ejide Maazị Simon Ekpa. The reason why they arrested him is to distract him from that land. Now, the two criminals are there. Onye nke akọ nke, onye nke akọ nke ya. And they brainwash ndị na-eso ha. They had to see. And these are the prophecy of master prophets. I used to know that that man have a spiritual eyes. But you know, due to some certain things that he does, that is the reason why I do not respect him sometimes. He have a very spiritual eyes. Master Prophet came out to tell you people, before the kidnap of Maazị Simon Ekpa, that Biafra have been drawn back. How many years ago Eburu Maazị Simon Ekpa? That might be the thing that was revealed to him. Not all the prophets will see everything. There are things that will be revealed to other prophets. And may the spiritual anointing on you be blessed, please. But you need to look inwards. There are things that you do which I don't like. But your spiritual eyes, I can salute to that. Your spiritual eyes, I can salute to that. Because what is happening now, they have forgotten where they are going to. And anybody who doesn't know will not know or may not know. Our own people have forgotten and the meaning but we are in this very freedom for the total restoration of Biafra. You must count on me that we will continue to pursue this very freedom. It doesn't matter what the enemy does. It doesn't matter the type of lies that they are going to bring. We will continue to pursue this very freedom. But we need a leader, a new leader. Not a new leader who will come and say he's a prime minister, no. A new leader as Maazị Simon Ekpa did it. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is the supreme leader. He did not come and say, oh, I am now the supreme leader, no. He came and said, CRC could have gotten it right. They said they are now drawing, getting one in this thing. But those people are more confused than ever. The main thing that will give us freedom is if you do not fight for your own freedom, nobody will give you freedom. You must fight for your own freedom. What do I say? Or what am I saying? You must fight to ensure that your freedom comes. Anybody telling you otherwise is lying to you. If this very freedom I am on the way to get, you must fight. And if you are not ready to confront your enemies, you can as well get behind or get out. Those who are ready will confront their enemies. Not we have not come into this very freedom for Jabrata or to lie to our own people or to ourselves. Before you go to this very freedom, you must as well understand that a lot of people have died. A lot of people have offered their life before you move or before you do anything. You must acknowledge that a lot of people have died. And what did they die for? For Biafra. You must fight for Biafra without fear nor favor to anyone. And you must get Biafra jealously. Na confuse with Oyibo. You must get Biafra because of the memories of those who have died. Not confusing your shadow or lying to yourself. from me from here, just know, just understand that for you to get Biafra, you must go to Biafra land and do that thing which the first and second did. You must go and do it. If you are not doing it, lying to yourself, you are a liar. The only thing that will give us freedom is fighting, please. This very freedom, do you think that these fellows are they wise than Uchemefo? Are they wiser than Uchemefo? Are they wiser than Tony Nadinke out of one eyes? Are they wiser than Chukwu who have done it? Are they wiser than versionSimon Ekpa? Are they wiser? The people, the two people who have fought for this very freedom, are they wiser than them? So what do you think that they are doing that this versionSimon Ekpa have not done? And the only thing is go to the land of Biafra and protect it. And because of the land of Biafra, that is where they said, versionSimon Ekpa is a criminal, he is this or he is that. And they fought against him. And that is one thing that they are still doing today. But we must stop it. Long live the Federal Republic of Biafra. Long live all of you who are listening to me, please. Bye for now.